कविराज नरोत्तम सर्वपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं कृपया हरिकीर्तनमूर्तिधरं धरणीवरमानकघोरजनं जनकादिकवात्सलस्निग्धपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं परमं परमार्थपदं पतितोदरणे कृतमेशयति यतिराजगणैर्वरिसेव्यपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं वृषभानुसुतादयितानुचरं शरणाश्रितरेणुधरासनम् महाराजभूतपावनशक्तिपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रणमामि सदा जय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद
गुरु परंपरा कृष्ण होइते
चतुर्मुखा मया कृष्ण सेवमुखा ब्रह्मा होइते नारदेयमाति नारद होइते रस महाकैलास रस पूर्णामृत परमाना भगवती देवारी महाभावसे अशोभ्यापरामासे शिशावली अंगीकार घोरे अशोभ्य शिशारजया पुराणमे परिचया करदसेव्यना सिन्धुतोरे होइते दयानिधि दयादास वीर्यानिधि राजेन्द्र होइलो दाह होइते कालकी जय महानामे परिचया परंपरा मनोमादे जय धर्मदासे हरि श्री पुरुषोत्तमागति तावैर्यमानतीतसूरि यशादिततारादास अनिमतिव्यासदास तावते माधवेन्द्रपुरी माधवेन्द्रपुरी निरानंद श्री अद्वैत वीरो ईश्वरपुरी के लाजन परी लेला श्री चैतन्य जगद्गुरु गौर महाप्रभु महाप्रभु श्री चैतन्य राधा कृष्ण नारायण रूपानुगजने राजीवाना विश्वम्भर प्रियंकर श्री स्वरूप दामोदर श्री गोस्वामी रूप सनातन हरे रूप प्रिय महाजन निवर गुणधर प्रिय कवि कृष्ण दास प्रिय वर नारोत्तम सेवक चारपद विश्वनाथ विश्वनाथ भक्त सद बालादेव जगन्नाथ प्रिय श्रीभक्ति विनोद महाभगवत वर श्री गौर किशोर वर हरि भजन कर मोद शिव शवन निवार सरसेन शिव तार दयित दशनाम प्रभुपद
जय जय
श्री राधे।
वृंदावनवासी कृष्ण वृंदावनवासी
वैष्णवेर गाना प्रथमे वंदना करि समारा चरणा नीलाचलवासी रतो महाप्रभुर गाना भूमिते पड़िया बंधो समारा चरणा नमामि भवासी रतो महाप्रभुर गाना समारा चरण बंधो धोया दुराता महाप्रभुर भक्ता जतो तोरा देश सिद्धि समारा चरण बंधो धोया प्रणामी जे देशे बसे गौरांगेर गाना उग्र बाहु करे बंधो समारा चरण होया जे न होई मेरा प्रभु जगदास समारा चरण बंधो नंदे करि रासा ब्रह्मानंदरिते सखी हरि जाने जाने हे वेदा पुराणे लोना नरा देव शूने महाप्रभु नाम सभा पतित पवन करिलो में मोहि पापी लइलो शरण वंदना करिते मोहि सखी धरि नाम मोहि दशे मोहि नाम मंत्र करि नाता विमुखे रामाज्ञा माने राहुलासा दश स्वामी मोरा धमी करो निजदासा सर्वमन्य सिद्धि होय जम मंत्र सुते जगते दुराम होय प्रेमदन लोके राम सन पुना चिरते होय देवकी नंदन दास एलो बेको जय वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसरि गौरभक्त वृंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु जीवे दया करे सकाशद श्री यादव सहाय अवतारे जानकी गुण गावित विशाखे
राधे जय जय माधव
राधे जय जय माधव
राधे जय जय
माधव गाइते
करुणां कुरुमयि करुणा भरिते सनक सनातन धर्मिक चरिते
करुणा गुरुमय करुणा भरिते सनक सनातन भरिते
राधे जय जय
राधे जय जय माधव गाइते
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरि बोल हरि
जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय गौर हरि बोल
Would you bring my Chaitanya Charitamrita in that bag?
The blue one.
No, it's what is
In the
and Hari is the
Azus.
Japamala bag. Yes, last huh? The blue one, Bengali, small. Vonga Gyana Diviram Rascha Gyananyana Salakya Chakshurmidam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Gurave Gaura Chandraya Radhika Tadalai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Vancha Kalvataruvasya Kripa Sindhu Bhaivacha Patitanam Pavanebhu Vaishnavevo Namo Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaurava Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
study of Hira Panchami. Hira Panchami Katha. I told to you something. What do you mean with Hira Panchami? You understand? No.
It's the victory of Lakshmi Devi over the gopis. Because she's going after Jagannath when he left because it's taking too long to come back.
Bring mic. What is the meaning of Hira Panchami?
5 days after Ratha Yatra, Lakshmi Devi is searching for Jagannath.
Nice. And also this is called also
Vijay.
Lakshmi Vijay. Lakshmi Vijay Katha. Just we told Lakshmi Devi how to victory Jagannath and his Antara Gopish. That Katha should called Lakshmi Vijay or Hira Panchami.
She won over Jagannath and Gopis.
Yeah. So, actually this Leela, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very nicely enjoyed with the devotee in temple of Jagannath. Yesterday I told, dear Lord Jagannath, now he is staying in first made the place. Horrible. And yesterday I told Lord Jagannath, he goes Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple, and 9 days Lord Jagannath is staying in there. Then after 9 days, Lord Jagannath again return back Gundicha Mandir to Jagannath temple. And that time also that is called the, in the Bengali language, that is called Ulta Rath. What did he say? Ulta Rath. When a Rath is going this way, then again Rath return back. Ulta. Understand? Going this way and again return back this way. For this regard, that is Lila Katha is also called Ulta Rath. After 8 or 9 days, Lord Jagannath, he again return back. Lord Jagannath, he goes Ditya. Ditya means 2 days from the new moon. That is called Ditya. The Lord, he goes Gundicha temple, Ditya. Ditya means 2 days from the new moon. And Lord Jagannath, he returns back Dasami Tithi. 10 days from the new moon, Dasami Tithi. Then Ekadashi, then Dadashi, Tradashi, Chaturdashi, Purnima, that's called Guru Purnima coming. So, actually Lord Jagannath, this Leela is going very nice. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood is same. Generally people are thinking, oh Lord Jagannath, he is going to Vrindavan. How Lord Jagannath again return back to Vrindavan to Kurukshetra or Jagannath temple. So for the many people, they don't want to attain in the Ulta Rath. When Lord Jagannath return back. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu same mood. No, again Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, Jagannath, he is going to Vrindavan. So actually now we have discussed about Hera Panchami, 5 days from Ratha Yatra. So that is called Hera Panchami, 5 days from Ratha Yatra. And Hera means to search. Yesterday I told Lakshmi Devi, she is very angry with her husband, Jagannath. Why she is angry? Because Lord Jagannath, he did not send any message to her. If you go somewhere, at least give some message. Yeah, I am here. But Lord Jagannath, 5 days passed, almost passed, he did not send any message. Maybe he sent message, a wrong message, going to somewhere. Understand? Sometimes you are giving message, what is it called? Your message in your mobile, what is it called?
WhatsApp.
Give message to
SMS.
But if you wrong a number and click, then going to other person. That too wrong. One number, if you miss or put the wrong number, one wrong number, then going to other person. That too wrong. Sometimes told the joke, one very nice, beautiful katha. Once one husband and wife, They living together, very nice, love and affection. Then wife, she got one job in town area, maybe from her house, maybe 20 or 30 kilometers far. So wife told, every day going to my house, my job, very difficult. It is better I can rent one house nearby my job center, job place. So she hired one rent nearby her job place, job center. So husband told, okay, you are going to job center where you rented the house, but when you arrived, and you should send message to me. This is true, because how you arrive, there things nowadays not good days. Some thief, some dacoits, some people also stupid nonsense. But how you arrive? Just when you arrive, and as soon as possible, you send me message. And she told, of course, why not? So, wife, she arrived her job place, rented place, and then she wrote wrote the message to her husband. Yeah, I arrived very nicely. Yeah, everything is very nice, comfortable, and nice room, nice everything is a nice bathroom, nice dining table, nice kitchen. Ladies, this is their first, their preference is what? How the kitchen is good or not. Second, her living room is good or not. Third, her bathroom is good or not. Understand? This is also need also. If you stay somewhere, first you check these things, where your bedroom is good or not. Second, bathroom also good or not, attached bathroom or outside bathroom. And third, you have to check kitchen room, how is kitchen room, living room, dining room, everything. So for this regards, that wife, she wrote her husband, everything here good, nice. And she told, here very nice, beautiful, my room is very nice, beautiful, big room. So it is better, and when you receive my message, as soon as possible, you should also come here. And both is staying together. Before I was thinking this room is very small. Now I'm looking, it's a very nice, big room. Both you can stay here. Everything is perfect. So as soon as receive my message, you have to come. Yes. So this SMS he wrote and sent her husband. But one number, wrong number. Understand? Maybe how many numbers have to say? Maybe 10 numbers. Understand? But she also think maybe one number she change. And not change, that accidentally press the wrong button. Actually, so I told you, if you send the SMS to your husband, but one number is wrong, must be your husband, he will not get. Who will get? Another person. Something happened, accidentally happened. Same time, when one person, his wife left body. Understand? This SMS attached to another person. And his wife left body, just she returned back from his wife cremation. Understand? Then he opened his mobile, this message has come from his wife. And his wife message, actual that number is what? His wife number. Whose number? You understand? Whose wife left body. And her telephone number, understand? That's same. Understand? Don't, when he said, oh, my wife sent message, here is very nice, beautiful, cremation, very nice, beautiful place. And people are thinking this is small, but it's very big room, this thing. So, he should come. Why I'm saying this way? Just a joke. Lakshmi Devi is very angry. Why? The Jagannath, and he went out from my house, but almost 5 days passed, but he did not send any message. So just a joke, that time not telephone. So Jagannath maybe sent a message to someone going. Just this way, compare this way. But Lakshmi Devi is very angry. Why she is angry? Why? Because she has so much love and affection. If you have love and affection, and with your friend, if you not receive any message, then he will be very angry. Why he is cruel-hearted person? I told him, to my friend, when will you arrive? And as much as possible, as soon as possible, you must send message and at least one line you can write. And oh my friend, I safely arrived. This is enough. Understand? Just 1 second write. I safely arrived. Or arrived in safely. Simple. But Jagannath did not send any message. So Lakshmi Devi's mind very disturbed. Yesterday I told, if you have love your friend or your any relative, very close relative, your mind would be disturbed. Understand? That is called what? Anxiety and anxiousness will come. Yesterday I also gave many examples. Okay, so Lakshmi Devi, she is very angry. But anyhow, she find out where is her husband Jagannath. How did she know? Spy. Understand? So where is he? So for this regard, Lakshmi Devi, she is now going to search her husband and also give chastisement. Understand? Chastisement giving you what? So much, what is called? Mamata, love and affection and possessiveness. Actually, this Leela, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu releasing with Saru Damodar, Ramananda, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Srivas Thakur, all the devotees are there. And this drama is going on also. Understand? His devotees, they also perform very nice drama. And if you can also do, if possible. Very nice drama. Here is Mahaprabhu, he is watching this drama also. Drama, understand? Very nice. Devotee, they also a very nice drama. And outside of the temple of Lord Jagannath, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sitting and all his entourage surrounded to him. And drama. And Srivas Thakur is there and others devotees all is there. But here drama is going very nice way. So I told, yesterday I told, Lakshmi Devi, she is going to meet with her husband Jagannath. But how she is going? How she is going? Very nice, beautiful palanquin. Yesterday I told. Here also Vrindavan Das Thakur explained. হেনকালের খচিত যাহে বিবিধ রতন সুবর্ণে চৌদলা করি আরোহণ ছত্র চামর ধ্বজা পতাকাগণ নানাবাদ্যে আগে নাচে দেবদাসীগণ তাম্বুল সম্পুট ঝারি ব্যজন চামর সাথে দাসী শত হার দিব্য ভূষণ অনেক ঐশ্বর্যের সঙ্গে বহু পরিবার ক্রুদ্ধ হইয়া লক্ষ্মী দেবী আইল সিংহদ্বার Understand? Lakshmi Devi very nicely decorated with the ornaments and seated very nice, beautiful golden palanquin. Understand? Lakshmi Devi is sitting and her bearers they are carrying the palanquin. Yesterday I was explained. And also many are maid servants, das, dasi, in front, back, and they also carrying many kinds of her Lakshmi Devi's instruments. That is called. Some they also carrying Lakshmi Devi's, especially what is called tambula. Tambula, understand? Betel nut. And taking one betel nut. And some also carrying what is that? After chewing the betel nut, split the pot. What is called? And spittle, you know. So and some also carrying many kinds of dress, cloth. Just 1 hour her journey, or how many? Many cloths. Why? Yesterday I told, maybe after 10 minutes you don't know, I don't like this necklace. Another, this shoes is not good. She still is sitting in her palanquin. She is not walking. But she goes, this shoes is not good. Another shoes. Understand? Nice crown, this everything. This one. Yesterday I told. Because she is Maharani. Understand? And she is showing her opulence. One day devotee in my house, how many pairs of shoes? 2, some 2, 3, some also 5 pairs of shoes. And Lakshmi Devi is how many pairs of shoes? Who knows? Yesterday I told one rich person is 100 pairs of shoes and 10 cars. Wife and husband living one house, or how many cars? 10 cars. Because he has lot of wealth of money, opulence. And Lakshmi Devi and Vaikuntha, so her opulence who can count? We gonna kar sakte. Who can count? No one. So here also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Suvarne Chaudala Kori Arohan. Suvarna means golden palanquin. Chhatra, Chamar, Dhwaja, Patakargan. Some also hold the flag, umbrella, chamar, fanning, and this way. And some also carrying her, what is called, water pot. And 1 hour journey, many things also. This thing, you are saying. And not in here. Sathe dasi sato. Here sato means 100 and hundreds. Her maid servants and followed. And big procession. And you can big procession. Dibba, har Dibba Bhushan, অনেক ঐশ্বর্যের সঙ্গে বহু পরিবার ক্রুদ্ধ হইয়া লক্ষ্মী দেবী আইল সিংহদ্বার। জগন্নাথের মুখ্য যত ভৃত্যগণ লক্ষ্মীর দাস দেবী করেন বন্ধন। So now coming this Lakshmi Devi, she is going and Gundicha temple. When Lakshmi Devi arrived, and then Jagannath Dev afraid. Oh my God, what to do? Jagannath Dev hide. hide one place. And according to instruction of Lakshmi Devi, her maid servant, bind all the servants of Krishna, Jagannath. They bind to them. Here is Lakshmi. Jagannathir mukha jata vittagan, Lakshmi dadasi karena bandhane, bandhiya anila pore Lakshmi charane. Lakshmi Devi's maid servant. They bind to all the servants of Lord Jagannath. And put down on the lotus feet of Srimati Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi says Raj Rani. She is sitting very nice, beautiful Singhasan. You understand? She is sitting very nice, beautiful Singhasan. Lakshmi Devi is seated. Then they bind the entourage of Jagannath and pull on them. They are saying अनेक ऐश्वर्य संगे बहु परिवार क्रोधे लक्ष्मी देवी आइले सिंहदार जगन्नाथेर मुख्य जतभित्तगण लक्ष्मी दासी करे बंधन बांधिया आनिल पड़े लक्ष्मीर चरणे चोरी दंड करे जन लक्ष्मी नाना धने अचेतन तारे करे न ताड़न नाना मत गाली देय भंड वचने and Lakshmi Devi's maid servant heavy chastisement and all the servants of Lord Jagannath and beating, taking one stick and beating. This thing. Because you are offenders also. Jagannath is offender and also all you are offenders. So they also punishment. They are saying in this way. And as like police, what is called? Cut the thief and beating, and handcuff and throw is not judge. In the same way, the maid servant of Lakshmi, they bind all the associates of Lord Jagannath and put them. Understand? And Achetan Tare Korena Tarone, Nana Mato Galidan, Vando Vachone, and they also use many harsh words. Stupid, nonsense, rascal. You are associated with stupid, nonsense person. In this way, they also. लक्ष्मीर संगे दासीगणेर प्रागल्भ देखिया हासेन महाप्रभुगण मुखे हाथ दिया. And Mahaprabhu watching this Leela, they have the maid servant of Lakshmi, the chastisement, all the entourage of Jagannath. And Mahaprabhu, when Mahaprabhu is laughing, this thing. समुदार दामोदर कहे ओइछे मानेर प्रकार त्रिगते कहानी की नहा ना देखी सुनी आई आर सुनी नहीं आर. Then one question is coming. Here also explain. So why Lakshmi Devi, she is also again angry. Another question. Another question is Lakshmi Devi, she became very upset because Jagannath, he did not take her with her. Do you understand? Not take her to go with him to Sundaraj. This is also her angry. Anger coming this also. Because Lord Jagannath took his brother and sister. And why not Lakshmi Devi? According to Shastra saying, husband and wife both have to go. But Jagannath, he did not take his wife Lakshmi Devi. Understand? Here also saying in this way. सुंदराचल जान प्रभु नीलाचले नाना पुष्पधन तद खिलाते लक्ष्मी दी संगे नहीं लय के कारण है. Then Mahaprabhu also asked this question. Why Krishna did not take Lakshmi Devi with him? What is the fault of Lakshmi Devi? Then Sarup Damodar कहे सुनो प्रभु ये कारण है यार वृंदावन क्रीड़ाते लक्ष्मी रे नहीं अधिकार. Actually Lord Jagannath, he is going, where he is going? Vrindavan. Sundarachal means Vrindavan. This is the mood of Lord Jagannath. But Lakshmi Devi, she is not qualified to go Vrindavan. Understand? So he is saying, Lakshmi Devi संग नहीं लय के कारण स्वरूप कहे सुनो प्रभु कारण यार वृंदावन क्रीड़ाते लक्ष्मी नहीं अधिकार. वृंदावन लीलाय कृष्ण सहाय गोपीगण गोपी बिना कृष्ण हरिते नरेर मन. Vrindavan Lila, who is qualified? Gopis. If you have no gopi mood, you are not able to go Vrindavan. If you want to go Vrindavan, need what mood? Gopi mood. Gopi bhav. This is the highest one. Lakshmi Devi, she has not this mood. But she wants to go Vrindavan. But she does not accept the mood of the gopis. Vrindavan Lila, very nice, beautiful, sweet also. And once Narada Rishi came in Vaikuntha and glorified Vrindavan Ras Lila Katha, how Krishna performed Ras Lila with the gopis. Lakshmi Devi, she heard lotus lips of Narada Rishi. Then she is very eager. I have to enter in Vrindavan and especially enter in Rashla as like gopis. Then Narada told, if you want to enter in Rashla as like gopis, so you must perform hard austerities. Otherwise Krishna will not accept. So Lakshmi Devi, she told, okay. Lakshmi Devi, she came in Vrindavan and she also performed hard austerities. That is called Belvan Lila Katha. When you are used to go Brajamandal Parikrama and cross the Jamuna, other side, Belvan. You have seen this. Many years Lakshmi Devi, she performed hard austerities and fold her hands and doing hard austerities and outside of the place. No shade, nothing. Just you are sitting under the bell trees. You understand bell tree? Bell fruits. And very hot austerity. Then Krishna appeared. Krishna asked, hey Lakshmi, what do you want? I want to enter your rasa dance as like gopis. Krishna told, it is impossible for you. But you know, I have to. And Krishna told, if you want to enter my rasa dance as like gopi, you have to follow some rules. But what is the rule? First you give up your Brahmani Abhiman and false egos of Brahmani. Lakshmi Devi said, how possible to give up my Brahmani Abhiman? Brahman Janma, this is very rare. I cannot give up my Brahmani Abhiman. Krishna told another also condition. What is that? You have to take birth in Vrindavan. Oh my, Vaikuntha, my very nice place. And Vrindavan come to be full of dust. And village people, they are living in Vrindavan. no, I don't want to take bath in Vrindavan. Krishna told, not only this, listen answer another third. And you have to take birth in the womb of one gopi. Well, it is impossible for me. Krishna told another also listen. And condition, what is the condition? You have to take birth in Vrindavan in the one gopi and have to marry with one gopa. It is impossible. My husband is Narayan. And understand? I have nishtha with my husband. How possible I marry with another gop? It is impossible. Krishna told not this also, another condition. And you have to associate with my eternal associate Antaraj gopis. But your gopis, they are village girls and rural girls, grandma. Their dress is not good. I am queen. Look how is my dress. Many ornaments. Our gopis, they are very simple dress. I don't like that. But Krishna told not these also. Have to patting the cow dung. Cow dung? That means I patting the cow dung. Yes. Oh my God, my hand will be a bad smell will come. I can't do this. Not only this. Also, in my paramour mood, then you can meet with me. Paramour mood? Parakya? How possible? I can't do this. That means I don't want to take birth in the womb of gopis. I cannot associate with the gopis. That means see, reject all the instruction of Krishna. Then Krishna told, oh, you are not possible. You are not qualified to enter in my residence as a gopis. Understand? Balakshmi will see perform hard austerity again and again. Krishna told, in your Lakshmi body, I cannot accept as my gopis. So that means you cannot enter the gopi. Krishna's one thing, nature is one thing. Krishna says, Krishna kahi, ami gop jati, gopi bina anne na kari angikar. Krishna gop jati, gopi bina anne deho na kari angikar. Krishna's one very powerful symptoms. What is saying? Krishna says, I am gopa jati, I am cowherd boy. And without cowherd person, I cannot accept. Understand? If you want to go Vrindavan, enter in Rajdan, you have to absorb in the mood of gopis, then Krishna will accept. Krishna says, Krishna gop jati gopi bina anne na kare angikar. Krishna will not accept you if you are not Gopa Ramani. Gopa Ramani means understand? What is Gopa Ramani? The wife of Gopa. The ladies. Krishna don't do it. So Krishna gop jati gopi bina anne na kare. If you don't take birth in Vrindavan, in Brahman family, he will not accept you as his gopis. Krishna this very abhiman. Krishna saying, Krishna kahe ami gop jati gopi bina anne na kari abhiman na kari angikar. And Lakshmi Devi, she wants to enter in the Ras dance as like gopis with her which body? Lakshmi body, Brahmani body. This is her main is what? Faults. But the Krishna told, no, I cannot accept. But Lakshmi Devi again and again performed hard austerities. Then finally Krishna told, okay, and I accept you not in the form of Gopi. You stay in my chest as like one small golden line. That is called Sri Vatsat Chinna. Sri means Lakshmi. Vatsat Chinna means that like a Bhrigu Lanchita Pada Chinna. Bhrigu Rishi, he hit it on the chest of Lord. And so, who is Bhagavan? This is the symptom. How do you know he is Bhagavan? And must be on his chest this symptom. What is that? One golden line. That is called symptom of Lakshmi Devi. Or another, Bhrigu's footprints in there. Dakhin Ramavali. In the chest, and Krishna's chest, the, what is called here, right wings.
Sorry?
Right wings. Understand or not?
Right side of
I
the...
don't know.
Huh?
Right side? Right wing?
Right wings. They are Krishna's and left chest. Two symptoms. Which Bhagavan, two symptoms in his chest. What is that? Two sign. One is, I told, one golden line. That is the symptom of Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi, she remains in the chest of Lord Krishna in the golden line. That is Sanskrit word that is called Sarna Rekhavat. Our second symptom, sign, and the Bhrigu Rishi's footprints and on the chest of Lord. Understand this thing? Bhrigu Rishi hit it. But how this you see? That is called on the chest or the hair coming. Not lady, gents. Gent chest is what? Here. But their hair, tip of the hair, bent in right wing smooth. And this way. Not left wing. Right wing smooth. And that Sanskrit word is called Dakhin Ramavali. Using this word, Bhrigul, what is called? Padal Chinnita. And Dakhin Ramavali. Using this word, Dakhin Ramavali. Ramavali means here, chest here. And but the chest here and bend this way. And right way. And who is Bhagavan? How you know he is Bhagavan? MD says, I am Bhagavan. Show your chest. Then I will see, you are Bhagavan not.
Only Bhagavan is right side.
Right wing.
Right wings. You not understand.
So the hair goes like right.
Right wings.
Only Bhagavan this happens.
Yes. He is Bhagavan. Listen to, I am not saying, Shastra saying. The one Bhigul, what is called? Golden line, that is the symptom of Lakshmi Devi. Our second symptom, Bhrigu Lanchita Chinna, footprints of Bhrigu. But that is how we know, as like this way. Look like footprints. But there is Ramavali. Ramavali means here, and chest here, this way. Very nice, beautiful. This. Understand?
Not completely.
Not completely. It's simple, why not complete? Huh?
Translating another thing that I got confused.
What translating?
I'm just the 2 marks. Shivatsa Rekha and then Shivatsa Ram.
A Srivatsa Lanchan Bhrigu Lanchan Chinna.
Yes, and this Bhrigu Lanchan is like a hair, Ramavali, Dakhin Ramavali.
Ah.
Like this.
Ah.
The Bhrigu footstep is like this.
Bhrigu's footsteps, how you know the footsteps? You cannot directly see.
Yeah.
How see? That also Krishna's chest, that the Romavali, here.
The hairs of the
Here
chest
say-
are in different directions.
Hair shape.
That's a different direction. Eh?
Like when you step on a grass,
Ah.
then you can check.
Just you step on the grass, then you can see that all the grass bent in your this. Eh? This. Just to understand this way. And everything you cannot understand, everything understand your bhajan and sadhana. Need also one sanskar also. Impressions. Just understand. Understand or not? What do you understand? Fala português.
Então o Guruji está explicando que em Bhagavan tem dois sinais, duas marcas. Então uma delas é uma linha de ouro que representa Lakshmi Devi e outra é as marcas dos pés de brigo. Só que você não consegue ver a marca, né? Você vai ver, ele deu o exemplo assim como quando você pisa na grama fica a marca, dá para ver pelos pelos do peito de Krishna que tem a marca dos pés de brigo.
E é pra direita.
É para direita.
Our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he very nicely and explained this also Lila Katha and on his book Grantha. What is the name of the book? Surat Katha Lilamritam. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Grantha. Very high class Grantha. If I tell you can understand. You cannot digest. But just one, what we say? Just to give one impression to your heart. One Krishna and gopis sitting together. Then Krishna told, I am Bhagavan, I am Vishnu. This. Then Srimati Radhika, she asked Krishna, you are saying you are Bhagavan. We heard who is Bhagavan Vishnu. And also the two symptoms in his chest. What the chest? Srimati Radhika, she told, we heard from Purnamasi Devi, who is Bhagavan, and the two sign in his chest. What is the sign? One golden line. Understand? And another, Bhigu footprints. That is called Sivatsa Lanchan. Sivatsa Pada Lanchan Chinna. Sri means Lakshmi. Vatsalabha, Lord has so much love and affection with Bhrigu Rishi. For this regard, Lord, he keeps the footprints of Bhrigu Rishi on his chest. That Lila Katha sometimes Srimad Bhagavatam explains. Once Bhrigu Rishi came and he was hit on the chest of Lord Vishnu. And Lord Vishnu, so much love and affection, and told, oh, Bhrigu, must be, you are feeling so much pain in your feet. Because my chest is as like thunderbolt. This katha is Srimad Bhagavatam explains also this way. And that katha also, Lord Vishnu told, always I am keep your footprints on my chest. For this regard, that is called Bhrigu and what is called? Sri Vatsa Pada Lanchita Chinna. Understand? Sri means Lakshmi Devi. She remains in the golden line, that is called Sri. And Vatsa Chinna, Vatsalava, so much love and affection. And Bhrigu Rishi. Understand? So what they are doing. So now coming to the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, explain this katha. Once Krishna, you are sitting, assembly all the gopis and Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, all here. Then Krishna very boldly told, hey gopis, you are always criticized to me. And this they you are thinking you are higher than me. Then gopis they asked, hey Krishna told, I am Narayan, I am Vishnu, I am Bhagavan. You are Bhagavan. So that time Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Krishna, if you are Bhagavan, and we know only one Bhagavan, that is called Vishnu or Narayan. But who is Bhagavan? That time that two seems and sign in his chest. That is called Sri Vatsa and Pada Lanchita Chinna. So Srimati Radhika, she told, if you are Bhagavan, then show your chest. then we believe you are Bhagavan. Understand? Then Krishna opened his cloth. Look, my chest. Krishna Bhagavan, inside Krishna Narayan or not? Understand? Then, so yeah, and Gopi saw. In the chest of Krishna, what is it called? Sri Vatsa Padachinna. And Gopi are thinking maybe Krishna, he knows some mystic power, or maybe before he also what? Paint. Understand? Maybe he paint some this thing. Some people are making the tattoo. Understand? Maybe Krishna did this way. Maybe tattoo. They don't believe Krishna is same Bhagavan. Actually, Krishna is Bhagavan, not he is Vishnu. But Gopi don't believe. Krishna, he knows some mystic power. Maybe before Krishna today planned himself. What will I do? Maybe Krishna did this is what he tattoo. They laughed and joked. They don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Then Krishna, look, I am Bhagavan or not? Gopi, they laughed, joked. Then Krishna told, hey, you are sitting. You show over your chest, then I will believe you are here. Then all the gopis laughed and ran away. This Leela is again Vrindavan. Many Leelas is there also. You cannot digest. It is very difficult to digest for you this Leela also. So, I am saying Lakshmi Devi, and she is not qualified to enter in Vrindavan. So now here also explain this way. Mahaprabhu kahe jatra chale Krishna re gaman Subhadra Baladev sange duijon gopi sange jato lila kare upavan nigura Krishna bhav keho nahi jane अतएव कृष्ण प्राकट्य नहीं किछु दोष. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Sarup Damodar. His Sarup Damodar tell to me. So that means Lakshmi Devi, she is not qualified to enter in Vrindavan. And so for this regard, Krishna, he did not take to heart Lakshmi Devi. So what is the fault of Krishna? And if you are not qualified, what will do there? So Mahaprabhu here. Sarup kahe suno Prabhu yar kar karan Vrindavan kridate Lakshmi nahi adhikar. Sarup Damodar told also. And Prabhu, actual Krishna he is going Vrindavan. Lakshmi Devi she is not qualified to stay in Vrindavan. Not. And Vrindavan krida Lakshmi nahi adhikar. Vrindavan hilai Krishna Sohai Gopigan. And Krishna he performed his all the pastimes in Vrindavan with the gopis. Gopis are qualified. Which unqualified person, what will do there? Understand? Nothing. So for this regard, Krishna did not take Lakshmi Devi with him. Gopi bina Krishna is Prabhu kahe jata chale Subhadra Baladev sange duijon. So for this regard, Krishna he took Subhadra and Baladev. Okay. Gopi sange jata kida. Achha, why Subhadra? Maybe you'll question. Actually, Subhadra, actually she is called the Jogmaya. Understand? Who is Subhadra? Externally Subhadra, she is the sister of Krishna. Actually, who is Subhadra? Subhadra Devi, she is Jogmaya. And without Jogmaya, Krishna cannot perform Vrindavan Leela also. Understand? This is the so Subhadra she is going. Or Baladev Prabhu, his elder brother. Or Baladev Tattva, non-depends from Krishna Tattva also. Or Baladev, without Baladev, Krishna also perform. Krishna cannot perform any Leela. Krishna's Tattva is what Tattva? Baladev Tattva is what Tattva? Bala. Sandhini Tattva. Sandhini Tattva. Understand? Sandhini means makes the platform. Huh? Understand? Without Baladev Prabhu, and so Krishna cannot perform Leela also. So need is what? Baladev and Subhadra. You understand? Why Krishna, he took Subhadra and Baladev. Subhadra Tattva, that is called Yogamaya Tattva. And without Yogamaya, Krishna cannot perform Leela also. So needs. And without Baladev Prabhu, Krishna cannot perform his Leela because Baladev Tattva is called also what Tattva? Sandhini Tattva. Krishna is called Sambit Tattva. Eh? Understand? So now coming in this way. Eh? So for this regard, Krishna, he took Baladev Prabhu and Subhadra. And okay. Here also is Subhadra Baladev Sange Duijan Gopi Sange Chatarila Kari Upavane Niguda Krishner Bhav Keho Nei Jane Ate Krishner Prakatte Kichu Nahi Dos Tabe Kano Lakshmidi Kari Etorus. Then Mahaprabhu asked his Sarva Damodar, tell to me. Eh? Lakshmidi, she is not qualified to enter in Rajdan, enter in Vrindavan. Why Lakshmidi, she is angry? Understand? These are saying. Sarup kaye premavati eito sabhav kanter udasle se hoy krodha bhav. Then Sarup Damodar told, Prabhu, I tell you reason. Actually, this is the love and affection. Lakshmi Devi, she has love and affection with Krishna. But Krishna now, little bit also. And what is called? Indifference, Little bit some neglects. Actually not neglects. What is called? Neutral. But you are not qualified for this regard. Krishna did not invite to Lakshmi Devi, come with me. And Lakshmi Devi is thinking, oh, that means, and my husband neglects me. Actually, Krishna did not neglect. Understand? So for this Lakshmi Devi is also angry. Understand? So Kanter Udasale se Hoy Koda Bhav Hanokale Khojito the Vividorda. Okay, now coming this way. Then Lakshmi Sange Dasi Gane Pragalpa Dekhiya Hase Mahaprabhu Gane Mukha Hasta Diya. Then Mahaprabhu was laughing. Why? Before I told all the maid servant of Lakshmi, they bind the associates of Jagannath and heavy chastisement, use many harsh words, and Jagannath also hiding. Understand? Afraid. My God, what is he doing? And all his my maid servant of Lakshmi, they also destroyed the chariot and broken the chariot. And where is Jagannath? Where is my husband? Okay. Damodar. Damodar kahi oiche manero prakar tijukate nahi dekhi suni ei bhav. What is this? Is man? Anger. I never heard this types of man of Lakshmi Devi. Because Shastra saying, Manini nirutsahe chade vibhusan, bhume likhi nokhel, lekhe molino padan, purbe bhastu sattavama suni, evidho man, brajir gopiganer man, rasera nidhan. Here, Sarva Damodar very nicely explained what is called the real man. Man means, what is the, English word saying, man means anger. Actually, Sanskrit word man means not anger. Man coming with the deep love and affection towards his Ishtadev. At that time, all his activities going as like walks of the snake. When snake walks, you have seen it, zigzagging way. Eh? Understand? That is called the man. Eh? But three types of man also explained. And anger. And one is called anger. And if you not follow my instruction, then anger will come. Understand? Or another manabhash, not a real man. And that is called semblance. Or another is called a real man. A real man is coming when deep attachment. And actual perfect man in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Why? Because Srimati Radhika, she knows only I can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. And Krishna is not happy if he will go to others person. And Nirantarang Vasikrita Pratiti Nanda Nandane Kada Kari Sasya Man Kripa Kataksha Bhajana. And Srimati Radhika, she knows only I can absolutely fulfill all the desires of Krishna. No one can do. And if Krishna will go, other person, they cannot fulfill all his desires. So Krishna will be unhappy. And understand? And Krishna will be unhappy, then Srimati Radhika will be very upset also. And for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she did man and chastise. Hey Krishna, why did you go there? Do you understand? So for this regard, that perfect man in her, inside, in the heart of Srimati Radhika, and only Srimati Radhika's man is called perfect man. That is called Shuddha man. Shuddha man, pure man. And or another I told, Manabhas. Manabhas. Look like man, actually he is not. Just semblance. That is in the heart of Satyabhama. Brihad Bhagavatam, the Sanatana Goswami Path, this thing very nicely also explained. When Vishwakarma arranged very nice, beautiful Nava Vrindavan in Dwarkapuri, then Krishna is going Nava Vrindavan, all their statue, very nice, beautiful drama is going on this way. And Satyama, Rukmini, and all they are sitting, and drama is going on. Krishna is entered in Nava Vrindavan, and how Krishna embraced his friends, Subal, Siddham, all their statue. Then Krishna embraced to Mother Jashoda, and Krishna expressed his mood. Oh Mother, why you are crying for me? Then Krishna taking the butter and from the hand of Mother Jashoda, all the statue, and Krishna. Then Krishna entered in the forest, herding the cows. Then Gopi's statue also there, and all the gopis crying, and because Krishna is going to herding the cows, gopis cannot go. For this regard, gopis also shedding tears. This realizing. Then last one statue, Srimati Radhika is there, and Srimati Radhika, just with her left hand mood, she was looking towards Krishna, and she is very angry, cutting her lips with the teeth and angry. Then Krishna realized, Krishna thinking, oh, Srimati Radhika, she is upset and angry. Then Krishna then came very quickly. He came and Srimati Radhika. But Krishna is thinking this is real. And understand, Jog may arrange this. Actually, all these were statues. Then Krishna embraced to Srimati Radhika and told, and kissing to her, hey Radhika, why you are angry? Just I am going to herding the cows and soon I return back. And then Krishna embraced to Srimati Radhika, and this Leela is going on this way. And Leela also ahead, but I am not saying this way. When Satyabhama saw this drama, and Satyabhama cannot control herself. She became very angry. Then Krishna, he loves Srimati Radhika, as like co-wife. She become very angry. And what will say Krishna when chasing towards gopis, going to the gopis, even very old ladies, Padma, Padma, understand? The mother of Kamsa, the wife of Ugrasen. Though she was very old lady, she cannot control her lust. She was running. Then Uddhav, others also were control. Look this life. So Satyabhama, she become very angry. Man, come. Then Satyabhama returned back in her palace and she did man. Understand? She wore the old cloth and gave up her all the gorgeous dress and she entered in her man griha. Kopa Bhavan, that's Kopa Bhavan. Then later Krishna came back. Then Krishna seated on his Sudharma Sabha, and Krishna noticed everybody present there, but Satyabhama is not there. Then Krishna asked to Uddhav, where is Satyabhama? Then Uddhav told Prabhu, you perform this very sweet lila, you embraced to Srimati Radhika. So Satyabhama realized, oh, you have so much love and affection with Srimati Radhika. So she did man, she is now in Kopa Bhavana. Understand? Then Krishna became very serious. Krishna told Uddhav, now just go and give my message to the daughter of Satyajit. Satyabhama. If Satyabhama will not come in this moment in this assembly house, I will kick out forever. I will not accept. सदा के लिए उसको मैं विदाई दे दूंगा. I will kick out from my Dwarkapuri. No need. Then Uddhav came. Uddhav told, hey Satyabhama, listen. Now your husband Krishna is very, very serious. You give up your man. Take the good clothes and come and attend assembly house. Otherwise Krishna reject you forever. When Satyabhama heard this, Satyabhama's body start to shake. Then Satyabhama very quickly dressed and came in the assembly house. But Satyabhama, she is sitting in where? Still her man in his heart. Anger. But she was sitting very far. Then Krishna told, very seriously, hey Queens, Maharani, I am not a lusty person. I married you. Why? Not my lusty desire. Just little bit something your mood, little bit some similar mood of gopis. Where are the gopis? Where are you? Nothing you are. All you are useless in front of gopis. Then Krishna glorified the gopis, how they have love and affection they did. So maybe you ask, why I am staying in Dwarkapuri? Why I am not going Vrindavan? I am staying in here. And why? Because gopis, when they call me, I will go. Otherwise, if I go, then gopis separation mood or more and more increase. Understand? For this regard, I am staying here. And remembering all the gopis' mood. How gopis? These types of lila I did many times. The Krishna told this. So Satyabhama's man, this is called not real man, that is called mana abhas. And abhas means something, not a real man. If real man, she would not come. Krishna had to go. And when Srimati Radhika seated man and closed her door, Krishna, what is doing? Jat kinkusu bhuso koluka guvani nityam parasa purusa sikhando mauli jassa kadara sanidhe visabhanu jaya tat kelikunje bhavanangana marjani sham. And Prabhupada, when Srimati Radhika seated man, and what did he say? Hey Lalita Abhisekhe, I don't want to see any black things. What we said to Krishna? She did not utter the name of Krishna. And कोई काले वस्तु को मैं देखना नहीं चाहती हूँ. I don't want to see any black. If I see any black, then my also anger will come. Growth will come. Hey Gopis, all your black hair covered with white cloth. And understand? If I see your black, also my anger will come. Even I see your, what is called, black eyebrow. Huh? Cover your eyebrow with the sandalwood paste, chandam. Huh? All the tamal trees in my kunja, paint with white. Asita na sakhai. I have no any friendship with the blackish. Asat. Huh? Asita mane? Asita sakha. Asita na sakhai. I have no friendship with the blackish person. Black means it's a big cheetah. I don't want to see any black things again. Look this. I don't want to listen and his name. Then Srimati Radhika closed her door. Then Krishna came. And Krishna asked Rupa Manjari or Sakhis, please allow me to enter in this kunja. They told, no. Now Krishna is very, Srimati Radhika, she is very angry. So saying, Jat kinkursu bohuso kholu kaku vani. What is doing Krishna? In front of the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Not Srimati Radhika. The Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Kholu kaku vani. Fold his hands and go down his forehead and again praying. Jat kinsu bohuso khelu kaku vani. Nityam purusa prasa sikhanda muli jassa kadari rasanide visavanu jaya tat keli kunje bhavanangana marjani. Look this. Krishna, who is Bhagavan, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sikhanda Mauli. Jat kinsu bohuso kholu kaku vani nityam parasa purusa sikhanda muli. Nityam param purush. Saying Bhagavan is not ordinary person. Saying Bhagavan. Govinda Adi Purusham. Now what is doing? Bow down his forehead. Lotus feet of Sakhis. Sakhis saying, no. Madhava, Madhava, Jahi, Madhava, Madhava, Kaitava. Get out here! Look this. This is it. Then, many times, then Krishna left. And what will do? Krishna completely helpless and hopeless. No Manjari, no Sakhis help to Krishna to enter in the kunja of Srimati Radhika. Now Krishna is completely helpless and hopeless. When Krishna left, then after a few minutes Srimati Radhika's man little bit reduced. And then Srimati Radhika asked her Sakhis, where is my beloved Krishna? Where is he? Then Sakhis, one Sakhis, and the Sakhis told, hey Radhe, many times I also told to you, try to and pacify to you, hey Radhe, give up your man. But you did not give up your man. Then Srimati Radhika, what did he say? সখিরে আমি না হয় মানে করেছিলাম, সখিরে আমি না হয় মানে করেছিলাম, এসেছিল হরি তারে কেন যেতে দিলি, প্রহরী হইয়া রহিত কুঞ্জের দ্বারে। Srimati Radhika is crying and shedding tears. Srimati Radhika she told, hey Sakhis, and I also did man, I become angry with my beloved Krishna. Is it true? But you are my Sakhis, means you know my heart. Why did you allow to him go out from my kunja? But what to do? You did not open your door of kunjadar. So Krishna completely what? Hopeless and helpless. Hopeless and helpless. So Krishna left. What to do? Then Srimati Radhika she told, Arey, why did you allow him to go out from my kunja? So he may stay in the outside of my kunja as like security guard. So saying this, আমি না হয় মানে করেছিলাম, সখিরে আমি না হয় মানে করেছিলাম, তোমার তো আমার প্রাণের সখী, আমার হৃদয়ের কথা জানিস, তারে কেন এসেছিল হরি, তারে কেন যেতে দিলি, প্রহরী হইয়া রহিত কুঞ্জের দ্বারে। This is very nice, beautiful Vaishnava song also. So now come. Actually, why I am saying it? Because here he is saying, Sarup Damodar told, Shuddha man, pure man in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Here saying, Mani nirutsahe chare vibhushan, bhume bosi likhe molina badan, purve sattva sune evam vidhaman, braje gopi ganer man rasera nidan, দেহ নিজ সম্পত্তি সব করিয়া প্রকট, প্রিয়ের উপর যায় সৈন্য সাজাইয়া, প্রভু কহে কহ ব্রজের মানের প্রকার, সর্ব কহে গোপী গোপীমান নদী শতধার। When Sarup Damodar discussed about Braj Gopi's man, especially Srimati Radhika's man, then Mahaprabhu absorbed in ecstatic mood. Mahaprabhu asked, tell me what is the Brajman, Braj Gopi's man? Yes, Prabhu kahe Brajer maner prakar, kaha Brajer maner prakar, Sarup kahe Gopiman noti satadhar. Braj Gopi, they are man as like the stream of the hundreds rivers. River flows different direction. And in the same way, Gopi's man as like the Nadi Satadhar, the stream of the rivers. Not one river, thousand rivers going and this. In the same way, Gopi's man. Naikar Sabha Prem Vritte Bahubhed, Sei Vede Nana Prakar Manero and Udbhed, because different kinds of heroine or different kind of hero. And according to their nature, different prem madhurjo manifested in their heart. Sei vede nana prakar manero udbhed, sammag gopikar man na jay kathan, ek dui vede kori dig darshan, mane keho hoy dhira keho adhira, ek tin vede e hoy dhira adhira. Many kinds of man, dhira, adhira, and without reading Ujjalimani, you can understand what is called dhira, adhira, dhira, many kinds of nayak and naika, hero and heroine. So in this way, Mahaprabhu realized this bhav, here also saying it this way. কহ দামোদর বলে বারবার, দামোদর কহে কৃষ্ণ রসিক বিশেষ, রস আস্বাদক রস ময় কলেবর, প্রেমময় বপু কৃষ্ণ ভক্ত প্রেমাধীন, শুদ্ধ প্রেমের রসগুণে গোপিকা প্রবীণ, গোপিকার প্রেমের নাহি রসভাস দোষ, অতএব প্রেমে কৃষ্ণের করে পরম সন্তোষ। there are many kinds of man, many kinds of their love and affection with this way. Actually, why compare this? But Lakshmi Devi's man is not a real man. That is called anger, krodh. Sanskrit word krodh, man, not same word. And so I try to understand. One is called krodha, or one is called manabhas, or one is called suddha man. But English word same. You are saying anger means krodh. Manabhas means semblance of anger, or man means also anger. The same word, but in Sanskrit, completely different. Why krodh coming? Why anger coming? If you not fulfill my desire, then my anger will come. And say, baby wants something, mother stop, then baby anger coming. Because baby, he wants that things. Mother stop. Hey, don't do this. Then baby angry or not? Baby with his hands, legs, beating her. Baby doing not this not. If you have son or daughter, you don't yeah, anger. Anger coming for our own and lack of and fulfill the desires. Anger coming. Or man coming, man is another thing. Man is what? So much deep love and affection. And then that love and affection going and zigzagging way, as like the wax of the snake. But so much love and affection. And Srimati Radhika's man, just I told. But when man reduce, that time also one. So much repentation comes. Srimati Radhika, she told, Sakhi, Ami nahi man kari chalam. Sakhi, I did man, but you know my heart. Yet sometimes my man will be reduced. And then that time I can meet with my beloved Krishna. Why did you allow him to go out from my kunja? Srimati Radhika says, Sakhi, Ami nahi man kore chilam. Tomara tamara praner sakhi. Amar hidayeri katha janis. You are my heart and soul, oh my Sakhi. You know my heart. So why did you allow him? Esa chila Hari, tare kena jete dili. Hari came here. Hari Mani Krishna. And who steals the heart of all the living entities with his divine love. That his name is called Hari. So saying, Esa chila Hari, tare kena jete dili. So what you will do? What you will do? Srimati Radhika says, Prahari hoiya rahita amara kunjara dare. And may Krishna will stay outside my kunja as like security guard. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Jai Jai Shri Radhe. This Lila Katha. And Hera Panchami this Lila. Then actually these were Sri Lakshmi, but according to this Lila how to finish. And the Lakshmi Devi, she chastised all the associates of Lord Jagannath, and Jagannath hiding. And then some special servant of Lord Jagannath pacified to Srimati Lakshmi Devi, don't worry, and just couple days, and Jagannath, he returned back, temple, old place. Then Lakshmi Devi, okay, okay, soon, as soon as possible. Then Lakshmi Devi again returned back. Then after 4 days or 3 days, then Jagannath returned back, Gundicha temple to Jagannath temple. Baladi Vrindavan Vihari Lal Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Bolo. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Bolo. Mero Radha Damana Giridhari. Giridhari Sam Bano Hari. Mero Radha Damana Giridhari. Giridhari Sam Bano. Hello Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Bolo Lakshmi Vijay Yatra ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Understand? Hera Panchami Tithi ki Jai. In this way, Mahaprabhu relished sweet Leela in Vrindavan. This way. Actual Mahaprabhu is in Jagannath Puri, but he is remembering all the Leelas of Vrindavan. Good. Mahaprasad in another